Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about some new ideas that you can gift your Valentine in the upcoming Valentine's Day. This Valentine's Day, let's replace the cliche gifts with some of the newest, sassiest and thoughtful gifts. So if you're interested in the video, please ensure that you stick with me till the end. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I've brought 15 gifting options which will be under a budget of rupees 1500. So I hope that all of you will be able to find out something or the other that you can gift this Valentine season to your Valentine. So guys, the options that I am giving are kind of gender neutral as well as some gender specific as well. So if you want to give it to your man, if you want to give it to your woman, you can definitely find something or the other in the list. So guys, I'll talk about the category of the gift options that we can have, and I'll try and link some of the gifts from those specific categories that either I have talked about in the channel or some of the references that I can give it to you, so that if you're looking for something in that category, you can find some of the ideas from that. So the first option is plants. So I have a very soft corner for plants. I think they make the best gift option, not only for Valentine but for any occasion that you want to give to anyone. I think they are very thoughtful, beautiful and environment friendly, and they will always, create that memory for the person that you've given it to, because that it's a living thing, it will grow and that memory will keep on growing. So I think the plants are the best thing that you can give. There is a variety of plants that are available. You can look at indoor plants, outdoor plants, flowering plants, green plants, different kind of plants as per your budget and as per your requirement as well. If you already know what your Valentine requires, then that will be the best thing. You can plan something accordingly and then gift a plant. The second option that I have is a little cliche, but it's like the perfumes, and which are now more so called as mist, so to say, but I think they still continue to be a very good option because everyone wants to smell good. So you can definitely give some great mist or perfume options to your Valentine. There are lots of options now available, and definitely there's a lot of sale going on currently on a lot of websites like Nykaa, and you can get some great and amazing deals. The third thing is candles. So definitely these are the new kind of obsession that is there around everywhere, but the obsession is not wrong. I think candles are so beautiful to look at, and also they make the house smell so great. It can change your mood instantly. So I think candles are a very good option. There are a lot of variety of candles that you can get, guys, from designer to basic jar candles. So if you know what your Valentine likes, then you can definitely look at according to those likings. But yeah, you can definitely go for scented candles. They are just amazing gifts, and I'm definitely sure that the other person is going to love them. The fourth option is oil lamp humidifier with essential oils. I think this is a great option for lighting as well as good fragrance in your house. So you can look at something that is within your budget, if it's an oil lamp or a diffuser, but definitely keep it together with some of the essential oils. If you already know what kind of perfumes or what kind of smell your Valentine like, you can definitely look at that. But I think some of the basic ones are pretty much the lemongrass or the jasmine or the lavender, which are pretty much liked by everyone. So you could look at some of the options from that. The fifth option is another cliche option which we've always been considering from ages. It's chocolates. But I think instead of giving in the basic form like a chocolate from Cadbury or any other normal brand, look at chocolate bouquet or gourmet bouquet options. So there are a lot of websites that offer bouquets, and they are so beautiful to look at and definitely very tasty. Some of the ideas that I can give you is, there is a website called Confeito. You can look at that. There are also Ferns and Petals also does that kind of bouquets, so you can definitely look at those options. I will be linking some more that I know of in the description box, so you can definitely check it out. But I think these are those options that will definitely make the other person really feel that you've thought about it, you've researched about it, and these are very new in the corner. So I think if you're not very sure what to give, these are very safe options, and you can definitely go with that. The sixth option is skincare or makeup. So now this is very specific. If you know what exactly the other person uses, needs, then you can definitely look at these kind of options as well, because nowadays people are a lot much into skincare and makeup as well. So if you already know what your Valentine likes, definitely this is a good option to go for. If you want to give makeup and you're not sure what, then I think lipsticks are very safe options. Definitely most of the girls do like lipsticks, and you can go for some of the options which are like basic colors, reds or pinks or nudes if you are aware about it, but try and take some subtle colors. I think most of the girls do like it. Also, another option in skincare is lip balms. So there are a lot of ranges of lip balms that are available, from very affordable to a little high end. So depending upon what your choice is or what your Valentine's choice is, you can definitely go with that. So lipstick and lip balms are two things in skincare and makeup that every girl loves, so you can definitely go with it. Now the 7th option is jewelry. So you can look as per your budget. You can go into the fashion jewelry or into the semi-precious jewelry, like in the silver jewelry. So silver jewelry is very much into trend. There are a lot of websites that are, you know, giving good stylish silver jewelry. So I'm aware that CaratLane does silver jewelry as well, and that's one website that you can definitely trust and go ahead and shop. Some more options I'm going to link down below for silver jewelry, but for fashion jewelry there are so many websites. You can get it from Amazon, Myntra, Ajio. They all have great jewelry, so you can definitely look for some options from there. The 8th option is books. So if your bae is into book reading, then I think it's a very good gift option to give to anyone. So books are best friends for people who are into reading, so they will always appreciate you giving that thought. If you already know of some of the writers they love, or some of the specific category or genres of books that they love, you can definitely go ahead with that. So the 9th option is cutlery. So I think this is also a great option, specifically when we talk about if you know, coffee mugs or tea mugs, whatever your bae is into. So I think they make a very cute and thoughtful gift. There could be a lot of ranges that are available again in this category, so you can look at a huge variety of options. I think this is one of the great options which will add to their cutlery set and definitely create memories. The 10th option is home decor. So guys, I think everyone is into home decor these days. Everyone wants their home to look very nice, so you could give any of the home decor ideas or any of the home decor items, so to say. If you have already watched my video, or if you haven't, I am going to link it right here. You will get amazing, beautiful, budget friendly options in those 2 videos. I had done 2 videos for Amazon home decor items. Definitely you will get something, or if not from that list, just go and search home decor items on Amazon. I'm sure you will get something that you will love to give to your Valentine. The 11th option is more so like electronic or tech items. Like you could give a facial steamer, you could give a smartwatch or a Bluetooth speaker. Again, look at you know, these are all available within a budget of rupees 1500. I will link some of the ones in the description box below, so you can definitely keep some of these items in your cart and wait for the best discount that you get, but definitely you will be able to get something within this option as well. The 12th option is outfits and shoes. There are lots of websites, again, Myntra, Ajio, you can choose any one of them. I would probably say that go with this option if you're already aware of what kind of, you know, things within these categories your Valentine likes, so that they can really appreciate. The next thing is the handbags or accessories category. So I think again this is a little bit more generic, so you can go ahead with a little bit of your choice as well. So yeah, there are a lot of websites, again, Myntra, Ajio, Amazon, and then also daily objects. I had done few videos on daily objects as well, and specifically I love their bags. You can definitely go ahead and check that out. I think they always have a sale going on, and you will be able to find something within the budget of rupees 1500. 14th is some random or essential category. Herein you could look at some of the mask options. Like nowadays you need masks to match with a lot of your outfits, so you could look at some pretty good printed and beautiful, nice looking masks. So that is an essential, but that is also a fashion statement now. So some masks, or you can look for facial hair trimmers, or you could look for makeup organizers, or you could look for a travel accessory, hair dryers, straighteners, all of those essentials. If you already know what your Valentine needs, then definitely you can look either of from these options. The 15th option is make a hamper from any of these 14 categories that I shared with you, so that you create an experience, give a lot of variety, and I'm sure that your bae is never going to forget this Valentine's gift. Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, hit on the notification button so that you never miss any video from my end, and we will meet very soon the next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.